2018 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.